Blockchain and IoT enhance security and transparency. Blockchain can record transactions safely and irrevocably over a network of peer-to-peer computers. How blockchain works. Cryptographic keys build digital signatures, which are added to a P2P network and used by lots of computers to authorize and control transactions. Benefits of blockchain for business. 1. Increased efficiency. For example, smart contracts can reduce time and operating costs of transactions. 2. Higher security. Anonymization of data helps solve privacy concerns. Storing data digitally prevents hackers' access. 3. Building trust. Blockchain can regulate IoT networks, analyzing the reliability of new devices in the network. Blockchain and the IoT. With the aid of blockchain technology, a decentralized IoT network can be built. EVs, smart homes, smart supply chains, and other blockchain-based IoT applications can all be ensured with transparency and security. To keep up with the latest tech trends, check out TECHDesign now.